Welcome everyone to episode 6 of the educational campaign, and today we're going to take a look at HC's Innovation Center testing and what we do here, where we take every idea and we test, push and prove that it conforms to all our standards that we need it to do, because reliability is not a claim, it's a measurement. And today we're going to take a look at what that means for us. From HVAC systems to advanced refrigeration units, we recreate the harshest real-world conditions: heat, cold, humidity, vibration, and time to ensure performance that never falters. Every prototype faces data-driven scrutiny, from component stress testing to full system endurance runs. With precision instrumentation and PLC-controlled automation, we capture thousands of data points per second. We have our Argus system to thank for that. Our engineers translate that data into smarter designs, optimized efficiency, and proven durability, long before a product ever leaves the lab. At HC, testing is not the final step. It's part of innovation itself, because when you engineer beyond limits, you build performance that lasts.